Brothers and sisters, we wish to welcome our dear faithful and pilgrims who came all over to the cathedral to celebrate with us our Eucharist this Wednesday morning. Sa ngalan po ni Monsignor Rolly, maligayang pagdating po sa inyo sa Manila Cathedral. Two words resonated as I was reflecting our readings for today. Two words that is not only an expression but also an experience to all of us. And those words are the words relationship and treatment. Such was the consolation of our first reading, that we are all related to God as His sons and daughters, and yet we are treated by discipline. But then sadly, on the part and on the experience of Jesus, He is with His own people, but they treated Him by rejecting Him. At maganda pong tanawin ang paalala ng ating unang pagbasa. Though we are called sons and daughters of God, this relationship is formed by and through discipline. To see that tests, trials, and maybe struggles are ways of forming and purifying our hearts. Dahil ang isang ama hindi hahayaan ng kanyang anak na mabaliwala na lamang o saan-saan na lamang mapunta, to be formless and to be hopeless in this life. But He wishes that His sons and daughters, all of us, be formed and eventually be fruitful. But on the one hand, while Jesus knew that blood relationship was present in such community where He was, His own people rejected Him. And it is something bad that we need to disregard. We might know people and acknowledge them as our friend, as our companion, but we treat them far from it. Or worse, treat them badly about it. This too, my dear brothers and sisters, relationship and treatment lives forever in our daily experience. May relasyon tayo sa tao at ipaparamdam din natin kung ano yung pagtrato natin sa kanila. And when relationship is building up, hopefully, our treatment as well gets better and better. We have an employee-employer relationship. We have the people and the priest relationship, the student and the teacher relationship, parents and teacher relationship. We have friends, we have peers, we have siblings, relatives, and loved ones. And when relationship is present, treat others with a heart. Hindi pagkakataon para ang relasyon ay panahon din para manira o para magtrato ng masama para sa iba. But in every relationship, a person, a heart is formed gracefully. Let Saint Agatha as well inspire us, and her story says a lot about relationship and treatment experience. People looked up to her beauty, and people wanted to build a relationship with her dahil nga maganda siya. But they treated Agatha maliciously and badly. Dahil mga kapatid, hindi ganyan ang buhay natin sa pagpasok at pamumuhay sa isang relasyon o sa isang koneksyon. In our ties, in our relationships, we bring goodness. We treat them with love, and we extend to them all the more the goodness of the Lord.